Very nice.
Yeah.
We have air conditioning.
All right, so today we are volunteering. We were gonna watch and service, but they needed volunteers today, so that's what we're doing. Don't really know what we're doing though.
It's kind of up in the air right now.
But we're following a train of cars, and they'll put us where they need us.
Start.
That's
Start.
a start. We're probably at a different one.
Yeah.
So
It's probably one of the last ones because town's back now.
yeah, who knows? We didn't do
This
recce
way.
for the second day.
Yeah, so it's kind of up in the air to us as well.
Yeah, but
We get to see cool launches and stuff like that.
yeah. Oh, that's cool.
Oh,
They have lights.
they do have lights.
Oh, I'm gonna leave this here because we gotta figure out what we're doing. Oh no, I think that was where we were supposed to go.
Yeah.
Oh, really, we're only 1 minute. Yeah.
We're changing out a tire, they have to continue on.
In third place, from Fort Collins, Colorado, Adam Short. And Daniel Marcus from Goldsboro, North Carolina. In second place, Mr. Charles Serdike, Dittner, Missouri. Excuse me. What? St. Louis, all right. St. Louis, Missouri. And Matthew Conti, Maryland Heights, Missouri. Congratulations. And in first place, but before we do the champagne spray, in first place, David Brown from Littleton, Colorado. Michael Brown from Lone Tree, Colorado is the co-driver. Very nice.
Yeah.
So we thought about this. Oh, it's probably a year. Well, when I first came out to Denver, I was like, why isn't there rallies out here? I think I met Grant Hughes, a couple of the folks doing the hill climbs, doing the rallycross, and they were like, oh, we're working on it. So like, all right, let's work on it then. So it probably started towards the beginning of last year. At one stage, we had 4 different areas that we were working with to get permits to put off the event. Finally, we came through here, and then we looked at it. It was like, wow, it's been 2009 since there was last a rally in Colorado. So we figured, well, it's time to bring a cup into the picture. So we have the cup. It's going to be our perpetual cup. It's going to reside in the museum up here in Rangeley. He's not that old yet, but he'll be the first young guy in the museum. So just to give you an idea of how this reads, in 2005, the driver was Patrick Richard, and the co-driver was Natalie Richard. Anybody know these people? Yeah. In 2006, there's some guy by the name of Travis Pastrana, and the co-driver of Jorn Edson. Anybody know those people? 2007, it was, I don't know, some guy in a Ford, but he wasn't in a Ford back then, it was a Subaru, but I think his name was Ken Block. And his co-driver was Alessandro Gelsomino. No names? 2008, this guy Travis Pastrana came back and he won it in 2008, and he had Derek Ringer as a co-driver. So then we came to the last year the event was held. It was in 2009, and we had a driver by the name of Andrew Comrie Picard, also known as ACP, yes. And his co-driver was Jeremy Wimpy. So it looks like there's now a spot for 2017. So I'll present this to you guys. So congratulations, and you've been added to a finalist of predecessors. Folks, I think we have the next generation in front of us right now.
Just like Lord Stanley.
So good. It tastes better in here.
Well, we're headed back. We went to awards last night, and dun, da, 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 we are the
Worst.
best of the worst.
Best of the worst.
We're the best of the worst.
My plaque is back there.
Oh well.
Oh, there's my plaque.
Yep. So it's a little hit or miss of an award.
Yeah.
You know, it's a good thing we're in good spirits about it. I can see some people not liking that so much, but we officially have now gotten paid for racing. Pulled $25.
What up?
So
It's pretty great.
but you know, good job to everyone. Everybody really did very well, and everybody was friendly. Awards was fun. It was just a great time.
It really was.
Yeah, and thank you to the other drivers who helped us out, drivers and co-drivers who helped us out, who went over notes with us and helped us prepare for the next one. So we'll see what the next rally is that we go to. That part's up in the air right now. There's ones we'd like to do, but we'll see what happens.
Heck yeah.
So,
It'll be a good time.
we're gonna complete the drive here. Hopefully it is nowhere near as eventful as the way up.
Down.
Or down, whatever. So, yeah, leave it at that.
Check out this beautiful scenery we have.
Yep, stay classy.
Well, event's back. Minnie is back in the garage. All is well. Everything is well. I was zoomed in, but I don't care. Yay.
In the truck.